Fist bump?
No! This is much better than, more impressive than most people's children. Yes, that is a cat walking on a lead, and today I'm in the forest meeting Mila, the Irish adventure kitty. This is Mila, aka Irish adventure kitty, is that right? And you do not understand social distancing. Where are you going? This cat has been to more places than I have.
It's just been around Donegal and around Wexford and stuff as well. North Coast, Glenbean Castle, Murloch Bay, Fairhead, yeah, around the Mourns and Kilbrody. It's Tullymore's her favourite. She loves walking around the fences there.
Don't know if this was a good idea or not, but I brought Running Rat with me. Mila, you want a rat? I have owned cats quite a lot, but not one that's, oh hello, that's well trained. I've been following the Irish Adventure Cat account on Instagram for a long time. I thought it was the coolest thing ever that someone actually owns a cat that goes outside on hikes, adventures around, and I've been wanting to meet her for a very long time. Isn't that right? Mila, you've been looking forward to this as well? She couldn't care less. totally indifferent. Go to the comments and vote which is better, dogs or cats. I can't see this causing any kind of controversy whatsoever. This is a very well trained cat.
Sit. Girl. Fist bump?
No!
Other paw? Good girl.
That's amazing. Mila?
Fist bump?
Fist bump? Fist bump?
Good girl. Fist bump?
There, that counts.
Good girl. Okay, paw?
I had a cat, and if you tried to do that, would have absolutely scratched your eyes out. Pippin was not up for this kind of activity. This is the best part. Okay, she sits up on Rachel's shoulder here as they're hiking about.
I got her when she was about 8 weeks old. Never got a carrier for the car, so she just sat in her bed in the front seat, and she loved the car. And she just took to it really quickly. Just took her to everyone's houses, visit them, had her well socialised. And for the first sort of 3 weeks or so that I had her, I'd be putting the harness on her in the house, and she just got used to it really quickly and adapted. So after she had her vaccinations, took her out for her first walk around Tartary here. Yeah.
So you started the training, what did you say, 8 weeks?
Yeah.
Started training 8 weeks, and now how old is she?
She'll be 2 at the end of March, so not too far off.
She's 2 years old. She can walk by herself, climb by herself, fist bump, high five. She poses, obeys commands, sits on your shoulders. I mean, this is much better than, more impressive than most people's children. Yeah, sorry, nephews. Irish adventure kitty in its natural habitat, the outdoors, having an adventure. Go to Instagram and go give them a follow. Yes, dogs are cool, but I mean, can a dog do that? So if you like seeing Irish adventure kitty, post in the comments, let me know. Maybe we'll get Mila and Rachel back on again. Oh, we may do some kind of Q&A. You up for doing some kind of Q&A sometime?
Yeah, definitely.
They're up for doing some kind of Q&A sometime. Okay, so post your questions about adventure kitties in the comments below, and also join in the debate on whether dogs or cats are the best. I'm going to remain neutral in this because at the start of last year I did quite a few hikes with dogs. Some of those dogs might get upset. Sorry, Scout. So I'll leave that up to you. Do you think she'd sit on my head or on my shoulder?
Should probably sit on your shoulder.
If I duck down.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh!
Sorry.
This is literally the worst thing that's ever happened to me.